Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I'm just loading up another video on find and replace. And I'm recreating a problem I had several months ago when I was trying to use it. Let's go to Edit, Find and Replace, and you could use Find and Replace, but we're just going to use Find Object. Edit Query. We're going to go Uniform Color, double click on it. Check that, get the eyedropper tool. I've already picked that color, but we're going to pick it again. And then say, okay, here's the problem, find all. You get a message, no objects found. What happened? Well, here's the deal. We just got through using the outline pen tool and it's still checked. So you need to make sure you're only searching for one thing at a time. Say, okay, find all, it found all. I would Control G and group them together because you're gonna have to kind of click off this to go, but now these are all grouped together and you can make them any color you want to, or you can delete them because you found all those colors and you grouped them together. So it's a lot easier to group them together. Oh, that's ugly. But anyway, so if you ever have a problem that says it can't find object, it might be because you're asking it to look for two things at one time. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.